Just making up some cone packs for my next glaze firing. I like to make them in advance so they can dry out. If I don't do that, they end up not completely dry because it's quite chunky bits of clay and exploding in the kiln, which is not good. So I'm going to go for a slightly lower than usual firing this time. I have some glazes that don't want to go up to cone 9. So I'm going to do 6, 7, 8. This is a cone 6. They stand like that, and then this one will fall over first because it will fire to, it'll be fully fired at the lowest temperature. So that's number 6, that's number 7, and this one's number 8. Make sure I get them in the right way round. So I do them this way so that they fall like that. If you put them the other way around, they fall that way, and then they've got to be a long way from the wear. It ends up taking up a lot of space in the kiln, and I have had cones fall onto my glazed pieces, so that's just a bit annoying. So that's number 2. I cut off surplus clay as much as possible to make it, to reduce the bulk as much as I can, so that it dries out. It's not that warm today. I might end up having to put them in the oven for a little while. So number 6, and that way. Number 7, that way. And number 8. They come in pairs, and I'm always worried I'm going to break the tips off when I separate them. All right, that's number 3.